Hello friends, welcome to this channel and I hope that you all are doing well. Today we are going to learn some useful shortcut keys uses in MS Excel. Okay, let's start. First one is Alt plus P. What will happen when you press these both shortcut keys in your laptop or desktop? Okay, this is used for to open to open page layout tab. Okay, either you can open the page layout tab by clicking here, you can see at my screen, or you can just press this shortcut key Alt plus P. I am pressing to show all of you as example. Here you can see that system refers to page layout tab. Okay, got it? Great. Second one is Alt plus R. Okay, after pressing this shortcut keys Alt plus R, system will open the review tab. Okay, either you can open this review tab by clicking here. Here you can see, or just press shortcut key Alt plus R. I am showing you Alt plus R. Here you can see that system refers us to review tab. Got it? Great. To open review tab. Okay. Next one is Control plus 1. I am writing plus. It doesn't mean that you need to type plus or press plus. No, I am just indicating that control and 1. You have to press this both key accordingly. Okay. Please don't use this plus sign button. Okay. Great. Control plus 1. What will happen when you will press control plus 1? It is used to format the cell. Okay, here you can see, suppose I am writing here Mona and I want to format this cell. I will put my cursor on Mona and will press control plus 1. Here you can see a format box is open by system. Okay, this box can also be available by clicking right click and format cells. Here you can see the same box has come. Got it? And Alt plus 1 is the shortcut key. Sorry, control plus 1 is the shortcut key. Got it? Great. Next, control plus shift plus colon. Colon, which colon? I am just writing here for reference of all of you. Okay, this colon. Okay, what will happen after pressing these both keys together? Control plus shift plus this colon key. Okay, this is used for to enter current date. Current date represents to system date. Okay, what is the system date? If you want to know, then you need to press this shortcut key. Okay, please look at my screen. I'm just pressing control plus shift plus colon. Here you can see 17:30 means 5:30. System shows us the current time. Okay, so you got it. Control plus shift plus colon. By pressing this, you will get the current date. Current date. Sorry, current time. Current time. Sorry, I wrote date here. Current time. Got it? Okay. Next one. Control plus shift plus again colon, but this time this colon will be changed. You need to press this colon. Okay, to get the to enter the current date. Okay, if you want to see what is the current date or system date, you need to press this shortcut keys in your laptop or desktop. Okay, control shift and colon semicolon. Okay, please look at my screen. I am just showing you control plus shift plus this colon. Okay, so I hope you like my videos, and if you like my videos then please subscribe this channel. And I also want to request all of you, then please like, comment and share also. I will be back with a new video to all of you. Till the time, have a nice day. Bye bye. Thank you.